So here we have it. I'm not a IT YouTuber. I'm not going to teach people how to build their PC, but I thought as obviously the PC is really important to the channel, I might show you how I put mine together and what I've ordered. But please do go online because there are so many better people out there that can show you how to build a PC. I had a look and I'm sort of learning from them and I'll just pass on some of the things that I've learned. So what have I got? Anyway, okay, I've spent about 1,850 quid on my PC. I've gone for B850 motherboard because I'm going the AMD route. This seemed to be, based on my research, the right one for me, but you can do your own research and I'm sure you'll find stuff that might be more suitable for you. I've gone for a 2 terabyte drive. I've got a 1 terabyte at the moment and I find that I fill that up. I also have an external hard drive that I'll keep on using to store all my videos once I've done them, so I've got something in case everything goes wrong. I'm going for an AMD 7900 X3D and I'm pairing that with an AMD RX 9070 XT. So I haven't gone the NVIDIA route, I've gone AMD for the GPU and CPU, and we'll see how that works out. And let's have a look at the box that it's all going to go in. Okay, this is what we've gone for. It's a Lian Li 216 in white. So you can see it's all here. I'm not going to take it all apart just yet because we'll do that when we actually build it. But as you can see, it's all here. Looks very nice. Lots of space. I did quite a bit of research before deciding what to buy. And this seemed to be the one to get. So we'll see when everything else gets here. I've got a few more things arriving today, so I'll share those with you when they get here and we'll take it from there. So this is it. After about 5 years of running my old Dell pre-built, I've decided to build my own PC. So this is all the bits I've got. I've got my Pure Power 12M 850 watt power supply. I'm going for liquid cooling. So I've got a Liquid Freezer 3 Pro. So that's going to go at the top of the case. I'm running a B850 motherboard. I've got a 2 terabyte hard drive. Going for the AMD Ryzen 7, 9800 X3D, and I've got some RGB memory, and I'm going for the AMD Radeon 9070 XT. So it's a AMD Radeon build. So I'm going to start. I'm not going to try and do a video of me building a PC because that's just not my skill set. I will do a time lapse, so you'll be able to see how it all went, and you can see I've got my trusty assistant Finn is here just to supervise. So time to start building. I'm pleased to say we're making progress. Everything comes on, everything lights up. You can see still fiddling around with fans and stuff to get the lights to come on, but everything seems to be working well so far. So here it is, my PC all set up in all its glory, and I'm going to apologise up front for the mess of wiring. I've got it set up this way because I wanted to be able to get to all the wiring as I was getting it installed and making sure it was okay. I'm going to be moving house soon, so it didn't really matter too much about where it was in my sim room because I'm going to be moving it all, but you can see it's in. It's all a little bit tight, but it is there, and it's all working great, so I'm really pleased with it. But yeah, you can see lots of space in the bottom to do stuff with. I'm guessing, I'm not a sim builder, but if I had to give some advice, I'd say read the instructions. You may see in the time lapse I was putting it together and then I had to stop, get my computer out and then read the instructions. I think the hardest part was working out where everything plugged in. And the other thing is I got the mounting bracket wrong for the AMD processor, and that took me a while to work out, so I had to do several fittings. So do dry test fits, I think, would be another piece of advice. But you know, I'm not a computer expert. I managed it, and I think you could too if you really wanted to. So that's it. That's my sim room, soon to be going. Like I say, I'm moving house soon, so I'll be saying goodbye to all of this and creating a new sim room in my new home. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. Like I say, I'm not an expert, so there's lots of other videos out there, but if you wanted to see what I did, then you have. Anyway, I'll see you next time at the track.